Hello guys, I am Preeti, you're watching Boldsky. To beat the heat in the summer, you consume cucumber every day in your meals. Along with your healthcare, it is very important to take care of your skin as well. And the skin needs regular cleansing, toning and moisturizing to maintain the skin glow naturally. So today I am going to show you how to do cucumber facial at home in 3 easy steps. And the 3 easy steps are toning, scrubbing and facial pack. So come, let's watch it. And the first easy step is toning. Before you start this, you have to wash your face with cold water and pat it dry with a towel. And the ingredients which are required to prepare the toner are cucumber and lemon. First, we'll see how to prepare the cucumber juice. Take a cucumber and you have to peel the skin off. And cut both the edges. Now take grater and start grating. You will get the cucumber extract along with the juice. Now take a strainer and filter the juice from the extract. You need to separate the cucumber juice from the extract. And the cucumber juice is ready. We are going to use this cucumber juice all over the facial process. To prepare the toner, take 3 tablespoons of cucumber juice into a bowl. Add few drops of lemon into it. Then stir it well and the toner is ready. Start applying it all over your face with the help of a cotton in a circular shape so that you can give a circular massage to your face skin. It will help for blood circulation. And apply it on your neck as well. Now wait for 10-15 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash your face with cold water and pat it dry with a towel. And we are moving to our second step, that is scrubbing. And the ingredients which are required for the scrub are 2 tablespoons of sugar and few drops of lemon into it. Stir it well. Now take a cucumber, cut the edges. Cut 2 big pieces of cucumber, and these cucumber pieces are acting as scrub tools. Dip the cucumber pieces into sugar mixture. Start applying it on your face. Just give a gentle and nice massage. Give circular massage. Apply it all over your face except eye area and lips. And wait for 10-15 minutes. After that, wash your face with cold water and pat it dry with a towel. The ingredients which are required for third step are multani mitti and cucumber juice. Take a bowl, add 2 spoons of multani mitti and add cucumber juice into it. It has to be a fine and consistent paste. And stir it well, make it a fine paste. Now start applying it on your face. Apply it all over your face with the help of a brush. on your neck neck as well, so that the face tone and the neck tone will be same. You have to wait until it gets dry, maybe 10-15 minutes, and then wash your face with cold water and pat it dry with a towel. These are the 3 easiest steps of cucumber facial process. For the better results, you have to use twice or thrice this in a week. And it is very important to know why we have used cucumber. Cucumber is made up of 95% of water and it keeps your skin hydrated all the time. It reduces dark circle and it is also helps in treating blemishes. It reduces tan and it is also good for dry skin. So these are the benefits of cucumber. So please try this at home and please drop your feedback as well. Thank you so much for watching our video. Bye bye.